DM Science and Plants World presents about the functions of leaf. One of the function of leaf is about to manufacture the carbohydrate. The carbohydrate is prepared by the leaf cells. In the process of preparing carbohydrate, the chloroplast plays the lead role. The chloroplast traps the solar energy and utilizes the carbon dioxide and water to manufacture the carbohydrate in the process called photosynthesis. The carbohydrate includes glucose, galactose, fructose, which are the energy providing molecule. The next function of leaf is exchange of gases. The exchange of gases takes place through a pore-like structure that present in leaf is called as stomata. The stomata remain open during daylight. In the process of respiration, all living cells used to consume the oxygen and give out the carbon dioxide. In case of photosynthesis, the green cells used to absorb the carbon dioxide and give out the oxygen. This process takes place through the stomata, and this is the structure of stomata which is present in the leaf. Next process of leaf is transpiration. The transpiration is the process of removing excess water from the aerial part of plant in the form of water vapor. It usually occurs through the stomata where the gases exchange takes place. In some times or in some case, it takes place through the cuticle. Cuticle is the layer covering the epidermis, and the lenticels. Lenticels are the raised pores which used to found in the stem region. Next function of leaf is storage of food. Fleshy leaves of succulents like Indian aloe vera and the fleshy scaly leaves of onion used to store the water and food material for their requirement. Next, fleshy leaves of many desert plants used to store the large quantity of water, mucilage and food material for their requirement. Next function of leaf is vegetative propagation. Vegetative propagation is the one of the method of reproduction. This is the bryophyllum leaf. Here the bryophyllum leaf undergone the reproduction process where the buds like structure which is produced on their leaf margin, such each buds are developed into new plant. Next function is protection. The leaves also give necessary protection to the axillary bud. The leaves modified into thorns, spines and give protection to the plants from the animal. Example, xerophytic plants. Next function is gutation. Gutation is the exudation of excess water containing salt that takes place in liquid form from the leaf margin in the plant during the humid climate. So, this is the gutation. Here you can find the water droplets in the leaf tip. So, usually gutation is confused with the dew drops, which is the condensed form of water from the atmosphere on the plant surface. So, these are about the functions of leaf. Thank you so much for watching.